Trending stocks. We have RZLV, ONDS, WBD, and KLAR. So we'll begin with RZLV. Okay, down 6.77%. This is Friday, the 12th of September, 2025. Not long ago, Wednesday printed an intraday high of $7.39. What do we know about the stock? As such, the stock is trending as investors speculate on its potential for a significant value re-rate, fueled by excitement around its AI-powered visual search technology and speculation about deepening ties with tech giants like Microsoft and Google. Traders in the community are taking advantage of intraday volatility, buying dips and high momentum plays ahead of the company's October 1st earnings outcomes, which many expect could act as a catalyst for further upside. So investors are drawing parallels between the stock and other high growth AI leaders, suggesting the stock remains undervalued relative to peers. There's also growing attention on the company's leadership efforts to engage institutional investors, which could provide additional credibility and capital inflows. Adding to the buzz, a stop loss raid during this post-market session. The post-market session of yesterday created a momentary dip, only for the stock to quickly recover, sparking a renewed bullish interest and further cementing the stock's momentum on the trader watch lists. Okay, I don't know if that's oh yeah, okay, that's the one. Yeah, plunged and then rebounded. Okay. Yesterday's session it closed 8.64%. That's okay. That's the plunge. It's hasn't recovered actually, but yeah, here it's a better picture. It plunged this yesterday's post market session, yes, and quickly recovered as well. It wasn't an intraday low. Intraday low is actually 3.1. You can see that here. So the extrapolation of its three-period moving average is saying that it's going to keep consolidating, going all the way towards Tuesday, the 23rd of September. We have a downward projection of 4.62, but we do have upper projection of 7.39. Selling pressure, what do we have? Okay, well, so the stock has been in an uptrend since the 28th of August. So even with this weakness is currently showing now, its buying pressure still very strong, still robust. Nothing indicating that the plunge. Okay, well, I think because of the plunge, because of this recovery, it may have strengthened its the price pressure momentums on this 10-day, 10 and 21 period moving averages. Yeah, if it were a rejection, there's a good chance it would have affected it, but they're all looking robust. All looking robust. So let's see if we can move on to the next. That will be ONDS. ONDS down 0.62%. Let's see what we have. Yeah, the stock is trending after the company announced the pricing of a public offering, which has sparked debates across the community. While some traders are cautious about dilution, many remain bullish, highlighting the company's strategic positioning in the drone and counter drone technology sector, a space benefiting from rising geopolitical tensions and heightened defense spending. Speculation is building around potential acquisitions, defense contracts, and upcoming industry conferences, which some investors uh, yeah, are thinking there's a possible partnership with European governments and organizations. Okay. Intraday high, we have one here, $6.5. It printed on Monday, this 8th of September. So yeah, the on this 4 hour chart, on the line trend is strongly bullish. High prices are expected to keep printing, going all the way towards Friday, the 19th of September. Projections are saying from okay, we have here 6.37. Okay, we have downward projections and upper projections. We have 4.43, 4.73, 5.22, 6.79, 7.4, 7.78. Buying pressure is, let's see what we have. Price pressure momentum, rather. Everything is robustly bullish. Yeah, everything's strongly trending. Yeah. Okay, nothing negative at all here on ONDS, even though it's down slightly, 0.93%. So let's see what we have next. We have WBD up 5.57%. Intraday high yesterday, $18. Yeah, yesterday post market session is $18. Let's see what we have. Okay. Um, yeah, the stock is in focus following rumors of a potential acquisition bid from Paramount's Skydance, sending trading volumes higher and pushing the stock up sharply. Traders are weighing the potential deal terms and are speculating on the likelihood of a bidding war, arguing that WBD, Warner Brothers, the company's assets remain undervalued compared to media peers. This takeover charter comes as WBD prepares to split into two separate publicly traded companies, adding complexity to any acquisition scenario and fueling a deeper discussion around the stock's true breakup value. Okay, let's see what we have for WBD. WBD. Yeah, huge spike. Yes. Let's see. When did it begin? This began yesterday. Yeah, yeah. In the regular session of yesterday. Yesterday gained 28.95%. It has added another 5%. Yes. Okay. Okay. So we have extrapolation saying that lower prices may continue to print, going all the way towards the midday of tomorrow. Sorry, Monday the 15th, and then after that, the bounce may occur. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying 13.26. What do we have? We already have $18. Yeah, we already have $18 there. Yeah, let's see. Price pressure momentum must be very strong. Yeah, very strong. However, I think because of this rejection at $18, we have a weakened second derivative on its 21 period moving average. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what we have for the next is KLAR. KLAR. Okay. Klarna Group. Okay, so the stock is drawing heavy attention post IPO as retail and institutional traders debate its valuation relative to fintech rivals like Affirm. The conversation heated up further after ARK Investor disclosed a substantial purchase of KLAR shares, reinforcing bullish sentiment around the company's large user base and global expansion strategy. Still, cautiously, some are still cautious. Traders point to risks such as employee share lockup expirations and potential for valuation following the IPO. On the flip side, optimists argue that the company's scale, brand recognition, and partnerships make it a long-term growth strategy in the buy now, pay later fintech sector. So yeah, intraday low is the day $42.3. No intraday high. Yeah, intraday high printed on Wednesday the 10th. That was 57.20. Let's see what we have. KLAR. Okay, it hasn't been around that long. Yeah, so not very much. Let's just have a look at the 1 minute chart. We may have something here. Okay, let's see what the projections are saying. Yeah, 44.93, 45.85. Yeah, so yeah, it doesn't have enough data. Yeah, not enough. But what we can see, let's see price pressure momentum in this. Yeah, the the 21 period is bearish, and the 10 period is still trending. Yeah. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.